everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, welcome. I'm Deasia, but you can call me D. I'm back with another series, but this series is special and dear to my heart. I'm doing a birthday series, uploading a different makeup look to go with my photo shoot every day up until my birthday, April 6th. If you want to see, if you want to cheat, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. Jumping right into this makeup tutorial, I'm using my Benefits Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4. The first thing I'm going to do, well first I decided to plug my eyebrows right quick, just a real quick clean plug. Now I'm about to outline the bottom of my brows and outline the top of my brows, and I'm going to lightly shade in the middle. After I'm done filling in my brow, I'm going to brush it just to make sure there's no harsh lines and to just bring the whole eyebrow together. Next, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 3.75, I'm going to clean up under my eyebrows with this. I really love this concealer because it's so thick. I wouldn't dare put this on top of my brows, but it's really good to use up under your brows and to use for concealer. So of course, after I'm done putting down my concealer, I'm going to go back and blend it out. I'm going to blend it down because I most likely will go back in with some more concealer to use as eyeshadow base. Whenever you are putting this concealer, well, not just this concealer, any concealer, using it as an eyeshadow base, make sure you blend it out really good. Make sure there's no fine lines because this is the base of your eyeshadow look. I completely forgot to show the palette I'm using, but I'm using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, and I'm using one of those neutral brown shades because this is going to be like a natural look with a pop of color. So I only use like 2 of the brown shades that look very much similar, and I just blend those together into my crease. Using my Essence waterliner, I'm going to create my wing, and I think this is my Essence. I'm not really sure. This could be my Essence or my NYX. Not sure, but all of the products will be listed in the description below. I'm going in with my P2V base in the shade Rude Boy Red, and I'm going to apply this right on top of my black eyeliner. I'm going back in with the black eyeliner just to clean up the bottom of the line a little bit. Popping my lashes on. I wish I could just pop my lashes on. I never just pop my lashes on because it's always something. See? There's always something. Next, I'm going in with my 2 primers. I'm using my Pore Blur from Makeup Revolution and my MAC Mattifine Shine Control from MAC Cosmetics. The first one I use is the MAC one, then I go back over it with the Pore Blur. Topping it off with my Too Faced Primed and Poreless Pressed Powder. This helps with the appearance of pores, and I'm going to apply this only on my cheeks because that's where my pores are mostly visible. Using that same concealer from earlier, the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade 3.75, I'm going to cover up my dark spots. And then afterwards, I'm going to let it dry down for like a couple of seconds and go back on top of it and blend it with a small dense brush. Now for foundation, today I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Cinnamon. And before I put the foundation all over my face, I'm going to first clean up the top of my brows. Before I blend out my foundation, I'm going to spray it with my setting spray from Makeup Revolution, and this is the Extra Hold Strong Hold setting spray. Well, it's not extra strong hold, it's just it's just strong hold setting spray. I don't know why I add the extra in there. My favorite part, concealing. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm gonna put this up under my eyes, in the middle of my nose, on top of my forehead, and on my chin. I used to put it like on my top lip, but this is so like brightening, I could just use the rest from up under my eye. And I just got this new big beauty blender from Ulta, y'all. I'm in love. It is a little hard to blend up under my eyes with it, but you know, you can't win at everything. Now I'm taking off my head wrap because I know that I have to put some foundation in the missing spots of my forehead. And also I want to give my forehead time to ungrease. And usually I don't put makeup on my lace, but being that it was blind, I was doing my photo shoot right after this look. I was like, whatever. Now I'm going into my Juvia's Place contour stick in the shade Zambia, and I'm going to put this all over my forehead and on the side of my cheeks and also down my nose. When I'm blending out my contour, I like to blend up when I'm blending my cheeks. When I'm blending my forehead, I like to blend inward. I like to like press it in, then move it up instead of just like rubbing it, because when you just rub it, it takes away the foundation. When it comes to my nose contour, I like to be real precise, so I like to use a smaller brush, and I like to just go in. I always do my nose uneven when I first put my contour on, which takes me a little longer to fix it later on, but we get her done. We get her done for sure. I'm adding more concealer because I had to fix my nose contour. Usually I do my contour first and do my concealer second because I like the way it flows with the face, but I forgot, y'all. I literally forgot. So I had to go and do my nose and then go back and fix the concealer up under my eyes to make it perfect. Being that I did my nose contour a little crooked in the beginning, I do have to go back and fix it multiple times. I'm gonna let this sit in the middle just to make it a little brighter. While that's sitting, I'm going in my Juvia's Place blush in a Saharan blush palette, and I'm using my favorite shade, that orange shade. And I'm gonna just put that right on my cheekbones. I like to flex my cheekbone and then add it. Just finishing up my nose and gonna add some more contour to, you know, figure it out. Figure it out? No, mold it out. Yeah, mold it out. I like that word better. Going in with my Brilliant bronzer from BH Cosmetics in the shade Bronze Babe. And being that I already have a lot of like bronzer on this brush already, I'm going to tap a little bit, but usually I go ham. Right here, I'm adding my blush because I never got a chance to add it. So, you know, I like to focus on the apple of my cheeks, but also moving it up. Going in with some highlight, my glow kit. My overlay I use this every single day, and I basically use the same gold or gold pink every day, but today I'm using the gold. I'm gonna press this on my face. I did not spray my face before this, but I usually do spray my face before I add highlight. I got some new setting powder today. I ran out. This is my Juvia setting powder in the shade Kalahari. My overall favorite highlight in not highlight setting powder in the whole world. I'm outlining up under my cheeks just to make my contour, my blush a little more sharp, clean my face up, and then to set the rest of my face, I'm just gonna go in with a brush. Going in with my eyeliner pencil. Y'all forgot where I got this. Well, I didn't forget where I got it from. I got it from Ulta, but I got it from like the cheap aisle. So I don't know what brand it is at all. It could be Wet n Wild, it could be anything. But all of the products are going to be listed in the description, period. And I'm just going to apply that in my waterline. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with my favorite new waterproof Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm just going to apply it at the bottom of my lash line. Going in with this eyeliner pencil. This is an eyeliner pencil that I use as a lip pencil. I got this from the beauty supply store. I think this is like Nabi or Noble. It's one of those brands. But I'm just going to outline my lips, and I'm going to overline them just a little teeny bit just to add some pizzazz. Going in with my MAC lip palette. I'm just going to use this palette to lighten this color up a little bit because I don't want it to be too dark. And I hope I show y'all what color I went in with. I think I went in with the one in the bottom corner, but hopefully I'll show y'all. Oh, yep, I did. Go girl. I'm going to add some Juvia's Place concealer in the middle of my lips to make that more of, I'm using this to make it like a more of a nude lip. And yeah, I forgot the shade that I'm using, but it's going to be in the description. This is the final look of my photo shoot. For my photo shoot today, it came out really good, super natural, super cute. It's giving, I don't know what kind of vibes it's giving. It's giving me vibes. It's giving wig lifting on the side for sure. But we gonna ignore that. But yeah, how y'all like this look? I'm feeling it. I miss Falon so much. It's like